A particular house from Santir Bazaar Masterpara Village was burned down into ashes, including all the belongings, and the renter's wife Manika Devnath. Her husband Polak Bhaumik is a TSR Jawan of 9 battalions. A house of a TSR Jawan and his wife named Manika Devnath from Santir Bazaar Masterpara Village was burned down into ashes. With that, the village was in catastrophe. The fire service arrived in the village immediately after they got the incident report. With the information came to know that the TSR Jawan named Polak Bhaumik from Julaibari Pilak village was living in a rental house of Rashmohan Devnath at Santir Bazaar Masterpara village for a few years. On Monday, Polak Bhaumik and his family members went to Udaipur Matabari temple except his wife Manika Devnath. She stayed alone at home. As such situation, on Monday afternoon, the gas cylinder exploded in the rented house of Polak Bhaumik when she was cooking. Consequently, another cylinder burst because of the fire explosion. The fire service and the Santir Bazaar police arrived in the village immediately after they got the incident report. Unfortunately, the firefighters could not save Manika Devnath. She was burned down, including all the house belongings. The fire service officers could not reach at the incident place immediately at the right time because the road condition was too bad. The corpse of Manika Devnath will be handed over to his family members after the post-mortem report. Her family members were deeply saddened and heartbroken by the incident. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.